Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of tracking your internet speed using Ookla's speed test. Whether you want to check your current internet performance, troubleshoot connection issues, or simply satisfy your curiosity about your network speed, Ookla provides a user-friendly platform to do so. Follow these easy step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Accessing the Ookla Speed Test website. 1. Open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. 2. Type in the URL www.speedtest.net, http://www.speedtest.net, and press Enter. 3. You will be redirected to Ookla's speed test homepage. Double your key. Step 2. Starting the speed test. 1. Once the page loads, you will see a large Go button in the center of the screen. 2. Before you click the Go button, ensure that you are disconnected from any unnecessary devices using your internet connection. This ensures a more accurate speed measurement. 3. Click the Go button to start the test. Thus cars Step 3. Waiting for results. 1. The speed test will automatically select a server nearby and begin the test. 2. You will see a progress wheel indicating the download and upload speed tests. 3. This process may take a few seconds to complete, so be patient. Step 4. Reviewing your results. 1. Once the test is complete, you will see the results displayed on your screen. 2. Take note of the following metrics. Ping. This indicates the latency of your connection. Lower is better. Download speed. This shows how fast data is received from the internet, measured in Mbps, megabits per second. Upload speed. This indicates how fast you can send data to the internet, also measured in Mbps. 3. You can also see a map showing the server used for the test. Step 5. Saving and sharing your results. 1. If you want to keep a record of your results, you can easily take a screenshot or note down the numbers. 2. Ookla also offers options to share your results on social media platforms or send them via email by clicking on the share buttons provided. Step 6. Performing additional tests. 1. To get a comprehensive view of your internet speed over time, feel free to run multiple tests at different times of the day. 2. You can also try connecting with different devices to see if there's a variation in the speed. Final thoughts. Now you know how to track your internet speed using Ookla. By regularly checking your speed, you can ensure that you are getting the performance you're paying for and identify any issues that may arise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tips and insights. Thank you for watching. For